Today we're talking about the main thing Honda is known for. You know it, I know it, and we all love to hear it. Ladies and gentle people, today we're looking back at the history of VTEC. While Honda didn't invent VTEC, they were the first manufacturer to mass produce the mechanism in 1989 in the Integra. The acronym VTEC stands for Variable Valve Timing and Lift Electronic Control System. To explain VTEC simply, it's having two cam profiles, a large and a small profile on a camshaft. When you reach a certain RPM, the engine switches to the large cam profile, allowing more air to enter the cylinders, creating more power. If you were to put in a good low-speed camshaft, the engine's performance at high speed would not be good. On the other hand, if you installed a good high-speed camshaft, the engine's performance would not be good at low speed, and in some cases, it can even make it harder for the engine to start. So as you can see, Honda's VTEC technology provides fuel consumption economy without sacrificing performance, and gives you that sweet, sweet sound. Now in the 2000s, swapping an engine with VTEC into your car was a cheap way to make more power. But as of late, it seems no one's even talking about VTEC anymore. Why is that? Well, it's simple really. It's because of turbos. Over the last decade, turbo technology has become the more popular and affordable way to make more power from a vehicle's engine, making VTEC a thing of the past. It's really sad to see VTEC engines not getting the love they deserve. Nothing beats the sound of an NAR Turbo Civic blasting down the road at 3 AM.